Wondering how to get the most out of your EcoWise Creatine HCL gummies? Here's how to use them to support your workouts and recovery. Step 1. Dosage. Each serving is 3 gummies. Stack smart. Thanks to ingredients like turmeric, 400 milligrams, and black pepper extract, 1.5 milligrams, you're also getting antioxidant support and better nutrient absorption. So you're not just taking creatine, you're optimizing it. No sugar. Yes, vegan. Made in the USA in a GMP certified facility with eco-friendly 99% recycled packaging. PIN. For optimal results, stay hydrated, train consistently, and take your gummies daily. Which gives you 750 milligrams of creatine HCL, plus turmeric and black pepper extract for added absorption and support. You'll get 30 full servings per bottle. That's a 1-month supply if taken daily. Step 2. When to take it. For best results, take your serving 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. This gives your body time to absorb the creatine and start fueling your performance. Light, not training today? No problem. Take it with breakfast or lunch to keep your creatine levels consistent. Daily use is key for best results. Just chew and go. No water, no mixing, no mess. These sugar-free gummies taste like strawberry and are easy on your stomach. No bloating or crashes. Bonus tip.